Tesla Green Incorporated is focused on providing solutions for waste management, waste disposal, and waste recycling, and reducing landfill use in an environmentally friendly manner. The black hole is able to handle all types of waste, such as municipal waste, industry waste, agricultural waste, medical waste, hazardous waste, e-waste, and wasted tire. The black hole is able to treat all types of waste except ceramics and glass. Using PLC automated feeding system, waste does not need to be segregated prior to feeding into the system. Via our patented programmed oxygenation system, the black hole creates a low-heat plasma in the chamber using a flameless technology, which generates a temperature up to 1,000 plus degrees Celsius from a single ignition. Because of the controlled flow of oxygen into the chamber, any nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, dioxins, and furans are eliminated. Any further emission that is created is treated further via spray packing chamber, where using a patented spraying mechanism eliminates all harmful emission. The output gas is then further treated via activated carbon coal. The end result is a clean air, which has been tested and verified by numerous environmental organizations. There are three main byproducts of the black hole. The ceramic ash can be used to make bricks that are extremely high on their tensile and adhesive strength. With the help of Tesla's green proprietary gold-bound cement recipe and tool, the ceramic ash can be used to produce very high-quality cement at one-fourth the price of existing Portland cement. From the sludge, we can generate biodiesel with the help of our in-house biodiesel reactor capsule, which is again completely customizable and does not require any additional space. The sludge can also be processed for making lubricating oil for the automobile industry. Electricity. In La Tierra Energy, we replace the entire insulation with our thermal rock sheets to generate up to 4 to 5 megawatts per hour electricity, depending upon the capacity of the black hole. No additional space is required to generate La Tierra energy from the black hole. The electricity generation can be completely customized to the requirements for any particular operation with the help of our other proprietary generator, Boson Energy. The black hole is the future to waste disposal, providing an end-to-end solution that benefits all parties.